Ever felt a pang of disappointment at the sight of a small tax refund, yearning for a way to make that figure bigger? The Canada Revenue Agency stands ready to be your beacon in the complex world of tax refunds. Canada Revenue Agency, or CRA, acknowledges the frustration that comes with receiving a small tax refund, particularly after a year of diligent tax paying. It can seem like a thankless task, prompting the question, is there a way to secure a larger refund? Well, there's good news. The Canada Revenue Agency, armed with expertise and a comprehensive toolkit, is here to guide you through the labyrinth of tax deductions and credits. Our team of professionals stands ready to work alongside you, ensuring you seize every opportunity to increase your refund. Think about the relief that comes with knowing you've claimed every penny you're owed. With the Canada Revenue Agency as your trusted ally, you can breathe easy, knowing your tax return is maximized to its full potential. So, how do you kickstart this journey? It's as simple as ABC. Reach out to us through our state-of-the-art website or dial our number to book a consultation with one of our seasoned tax specialists. Our experts will guide you through the process, posing the right queries to uncover hidden deductions and credits that may have slipped under your radar, such as RRSP contributions, childcare expenses, and education expenses, to name a few. Filing your taxes on is of utmost importance, not to mention the convenience and efficiency of utilizing online filing services. Our team will scrutinize your return meticulously, ensuring accuracy, integrity, and optimizing your refund. The more honest and accurate you are, the better the outcome. We'll delve into strategies to maximize your tax refund, like leveraging the home buyer's plan, medical expenses, charitable donations, employment expenses, and public transit passes. For pension income splitting can provide substantial tax savings, and don't forget about the first-time homebuyer's tax credit if you're new to the property ladder. After you've filed your taxes, our team will carefully examine your return, ensuring there are no discrepancies and optimizing your refund. We make it our mission to make sure you pocket every dollar you're entitled to, providing that financial boost you so rightly deserve. Be sure to stay updated with the most recent tax laws and guidelines to avoid any unforeseen complications. And it's highly recommended to consider consulting with a tax professional to ensure you're on the right track. Trust us, your wallet will thank you. Remember, while maximizing eligible deductions and credits when filing taxes is important, maintaining accuracy and adhering to tax laws is equally crucial. Here are some general pointers to help you optimize your tax situation. Firstly, keep meticulous records of all your income, expenses, and receipts throughout the year. This includes employment income, investment income, and any deductible expenses. Secondly, get familiar with the available tax credits you may be eligible for. Examples include the Canada Child Benefit, the GST/HST credit, and various provincial tax credits. Thirdly, claim eligible deductions. Deductions can decrease your taxable income. Common deductions include RRSP contributions, moving expenses, and employment expenses for certain professions. Fourthly, make use of tax-free savings accounts and registered retirement savings plans. Contribute to these accounts to grow your savings tax-free or receive tax deductions. Contributions to RRSPs can reduce your taxable income. Next, review eligible expenses. If you're self-employed, you may be able to deduct expenses related to your business. Stay informed about any changes in tax laws that may affect your eligibility for certain credits or deductions. Consider seeking professional help. Consulting with a tax professional or using tax software can help ensure you don't overlook any potential deductions or credits. Finally, make use of non-refundable tax credits. They may not directly increase your refund, but they can reduce the amount of tax you owe. Examples include the basic personal amount, which everyone is entitled to. So, what are you waiting for? Reach out to the Canada Revenue Agency today and let us help you secure the big tax refund you've been dreaming of.